Packing details. Quick start guides. This is the power supply. This is the antenna. Power connector. Product details. This is the UID of the added app. Insert the SIM card. Connect the antenna. Connect to the power.
Wiring logic. First, door open switch connect to DI1. Second, gate state detection line connect to DI2. Third, door control line connect to an ONCOM of GL1 controller.
Simulate the usage between GL1 and the door lock. Long press input 2 to change name, gate state. Open the door by app, click the button, trigger the output and the door opens. After the electronic lock is opened, simulate opening the door. Simulate closing the door and automatic locking. Open the door by switch, press the switch, and the door opener will activate the output trigger. After the electronic lock is opened, simulate opening the door. Simulate closing the door and automatic locking. Trigger alarm notification. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app. Click the push record to check door opening record. Power outage reminder demonstration. Power disconnected, receiving power outage alarm notification. Push notification on app. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification.